We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Welcome, fellow travelers. Welcome back to the channel. As you may recall, the last report, I was expelled from my domicile and told to go beat the bushes somewhere else. So that's what we did. Came down to my son's property. We've been beating the bushes for a month and a half, making a clearing for the RV and to build a cabin. And we kind of got started. If you saw my little 8-minute video, that was Michael and I putting down a pad, and we got ready for the build, and Mother Nature stepped in. It's been raining off and on all day today, so in between cloudbursts, I've been trying to get stuff done, and you're going to see exactly what I've got done. Now comes the fun part, the straightening, the leveling, the squaring. Do I use the 3-4-5, the 6-8-10, the diagonal? Geometry was never my suit, but we're going to figure it out. And sooner or later, there's going to be a cabin out on this property.
The number you have dialed has been changed.